Welcome to Cooking with Zach. Today, it's Fat Thursday in Poland, so we're going to be making donuts. Today you're supposed to eat pączki, which are Polish donuts. Or we can see regular donuts, but you don't eat donuts.
It's a what?
Donut emergency! Since it's an emergency, we're gonna cheat. Just don't tell anybody. So I'm gonna show you how to make donuts in 5 minutes in the air fryer. Well, today we're cheating because it's an emergency, so we're not gonna make them from scratch. So you're gonna use these items. All you need is heavy whipping cream, biscuits, and of course, some chocolate chips. White chocolate, because these are chocolate ganache donuts. Air fryer. So set your air fryer to 350 degrees and open your biscuits. Okay, now we're gonna fry 4 at a time. But first, let's make them some donuts with the soda. Don't throw it away, because we'll show you a trick later. Okay, sure, you can try it after I do this one. Okay, right here, now you try. Push it in. Three minutes later. Ta-da!
It's okay. We put it back together.
Donut. I make these donuts.
Okay then. Okay, so now we're gonna put them in the air fryer for 4 minutes. But remember, switch them up, flip them over like that after 2 minutes. And don't forget, have an adult with you because the fire is really hot. Okay, now we gotta wait 4 minutes and then flip it over after 2 minutes. While we wait, I'm gonna show you how to make a chocolate ganache. What you need is 2/3 of a cup of chocolate chips and 1/3 of heavy whipped cream. Now microwave it for 1 minute. Now whisk it until it's great. After you microwave it for 1 minute. Looks like it's ready. All you have to do is grab a donut and dip it, and then it's ready. Now all you have to do is dip it. Masterpiece.
Yum.
Here. Here's the trick with these bad babies. You gotta eat them right after you make them, or because later they're not gonna be any good. So, again. Oh, these are really good.
No. I want this one.
Donut emergency averted. And don't forget to exercise after. Happy Fat Thursday, everybody in Poland. Bye. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Peace out. Woo! Here's the bonus. We're gonna make some delicious bread. So here's the bonus. Grab all those donut holes, then go like this. Squish, 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 squish. And then do the exact same thing that you did with the donuts. Okay, you guys say that I'm ready. Ooh, yummy. Here's our donut bread. Oh. It's gooey and chewy and yummy.
Go like beep, 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 beep.
Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Okay, that was the bonus donut dipping bread. See you next time. Bye. Peace out. Woo! Woo!